Service in Brownsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Kenedy County in deep South Texas, Central Willacy County in deep South Texas, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near San Perlita High School, or near Raymondville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles, including cracked windshields and minor exterior dents can expected. Some damage to crops and trees is expected. Expect minor wind damage to mobile homes, some roofs, siding and some fences. Tree limbs will blow down and small trees will be uprooted. Damage to power lines and some power poles is expected. Locations impacted include Raymondville, Lyford, Port Mansfield, San Perlita, Port Mansfield Chamber of Commerce, Rubber Memorial Library, Port Mansfield Airport, Porphyria, Raymondville High School and Raymondville Police Department. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in Brownsville.